Hello YouTube, itty bitty shitty video to show you what I found on this 2013 Chrysler Town and Country. The vehicle came in with the report of an oil leak. Customer stated they just had the oil filter housing O-rings replaced. And the oil filter housing O-rings are located down underneath, way down underneath. This is your oil cooler. This is where your oil filter is. Way down underneath this plastic block. And the customer came in, it's been leaking oil. You can see it's wet down there on the top of the transmission, and so it was leaking oil, losing oil. After a little bit of investigation, figured out that the oil pressure sensor down there was leaking. And so here's a look at that sensor that I pulled out of here, and you'll notice I've got her clamped in the vice grips here. She turns right around. That's not good. So when you're in this far, when you got the intake off and you're digging around looking for replacing the O-rings, if you're going to go that route, just keep your mind open, keep your eyes open. It may not be the 5 O-rings. There's one down here, 2 up here, and 2 more over here. It may not be those O-rings. May be something else. So keep your mind open, keep your eyes open. Don't jump to conclusions. Better yet, Chrysler offers this entire block as a kit, I believe. I think it comes with sensors and an oil cooler, if I'm not mistaken. Better yet, if you're down this far, you got the lower and the upper intake off, just replace the whole block and get it over with. It's plastic. These things run 212 degrees for a normal operating temperature. You know, I have a hard time trusting plastic at 212 degrees. So it's maybe not a bad idea. It's a little more money up front, but you get the peace of mind knowing that you did it all and that you shouldn't have any trouble for the time to come. So that's it. Quick video. Hope that helps somebody, and like I said, just keep your eyes open and keep an open mind. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.